Welcome back to WNEM TV5's Sounds of the Season.
As we wrap up one of our favorite holiday traditions, we want to thank everyone watching at home for a fantastic year.
And a heartfelt thank you to the students and staff involved in this year's special.
So please enjoy our final selections of this year's Sounds of the Season. Presenting the Frankenmuth High School Band with From Wintry Darkness Light.
Presenting the Standish-Sterling High School Band with Oh Come All Ye Faithful.
Presenting the Fenton High School ambassadors with jolly old St. Nicholas.
Oh, hey there, Mr. Santa Claus, jolly old Saint Nick. Santa, get your action on, Santa, get here quick. Oh, jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon, now you dear old man. Whisper what you'll bring to me, tell me if you can. Hey there, Mr. Santa Claus, jolly old Saint Nick. Santa, get your action on, Santa, get here quick. Oh, when the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know. Hey there, Mr. Santa Claus, jolly old Saint Nick. Santa, get your action on, Santa, get here quick. Oh, Johnny wants a pair of skates, Susie wants a sled, Nellie wants a picture book, yellow, blue, and red. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give the rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, you will know the best. Hey there, Mr. Santa Claus, jolly old Saint Nick. Santa, get your action on, Santa, get here quick. Yes, on your midnight trip. Yes, Santa, get here quick tonight. Bop-ba-da-da-bop.
Thank you for celebrating the sounds of the season with us.
We'd also like to thank all the local schools and students for sharing this holiday gift with us.
We hope to see you next year as we continue this holiday tradition.
And finally, we'd like to wish our friends and family and all of you at home watching a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.